Hi there, welcome back. So I did an extensive competitor analysis for one of my client based in the US. So as you can see that this is the keyword that we're trying to rank, and it says best music speakers, and these are the URLs of our competitor whom are using the same keyword that we are trying to rank. And this is their DA and PA. So DA stands for domain authority and PA stands for page authority, and DA is the SEO strength for the overall website, and PA is the SEO strength for a particular page or URL you may. And this is the number of pages that they have indexed by Google, and whether or not if they have used keywords, the target keywords in their title, um, and keyword in URL. Some of the competitors have their keywords in the URL, some of don't, and keyword in description, whether or not if they have used keyword in their meta description or not. Some of them did and some of them don't. So all the green color that I have used is good for us, and the red color signifies that it's not good for us, but good for them. And the keyword prominence, what it is, if I just give you a short explanation, keyword prominence is um, the six mandatory places that we use our keywords. So whether or not if they have used it, they did not. So this is good for us. We're gonna have a better opportunity to rank for that particular keyword, since they all are missing that vital rule set by Google for the keyword prominence and the keyword proximity. Keyword proximity is also a standard SEO practice that we follow, like where and how often a keyword should be used, and their social media presence for that particular URL. How many times those links or the URLs has been shared on Facebook or Pinterest. So these these analyses falls on the general terms. So these are called general analysis. So now let's go to the second phase of the competitor analysis, which falls under on-page analysis. So again, we have the same keyword and the URL would remain the same, and some of the metrics would be different this time. For an example, URL characters. We all know that there are certain numbers of character we can use for our meta title, and it seems like most of them are kind of violating the standard that Google likes. So this is good for us. Only three of them are kind of using the standard, and whether or not if they're using canonical URL, they all have. So this is not good for us. And title character again, it's it's not good for us because all of them have. Only one did not follow the standard rule. And meta description characters, most of them did not follow the standard um, established by Google, so it's good for us. Heading, whether or not if the keyword is present in the H1, most of them did not, so which is good. Image, what does that even mean? Image, we're talking about alternative text, whether or not it has been used in their images. Yes, they did, so it's not good for us. So HTML text ratio is good for us. Most of them did not follow the standard practice. And next is the AMP, or accelerated mobile page. And surprisingly enough, most of them do not have AMP, which is really good for us. Now, sitemap, well, I would say 50-50. Some of them have sitemap, some of them they did not, so which is good for us. Robots.txt, all of them have it, so it's bad for us, good for them. Whether or not if they're using analytics to measure their performance, and most of them are using Google Analytics. So next is off-page optimization. Again, we kind of have the same um, keyword and the URL. And over here, we're going to check the spam score, page authority, domain authority again, and the number of backlinks that they have, and referring domain. So competitor analysis falls into uh, three parts, or the competitor analysis are conducted in three stages: general, off page, and on page. So these are the overall picture of the computer analysis based on a single keyword called best music speaker. And I have conducted all this thorough research just to find out whether or not if we can rank for this keyword and beat all the competitors that we have whom are using the same keyword to rank their website on. And this is how competitor analyses are conducted. Thanks. Bye bye.